My name is Valerie, and I'm going to show you Flowhub Intelligence Dashboards. This is Flowhub Intelligence Dashboards. Your dispensary's numbers live in one view right inside your POS. No spreadsheets, no exporting, no separate tool to log into. This is one of our default dashboards, the executive overview. But the real story is what you can do with it. Every metric has a built-in definition you can see right here, what it means and exactly how it's calculated. So when your managers at different locations both look at something like average cart value, it's the same number calculated the same way across every store. And each chart bends to how you like to read your data. So if you prefer a pie chart over a bar chart, easy. One click will get you there. You can also filter by store. You could filter by category, brand, customer types. However you want, this chart will update instantly. Need something that isn't there yet? Add a tile. Pick a metric, decide how you want them to be grouped, and your dashboard will build that tile for you. Pick any date range and switch on period over period comparison with one click. See how this month stacks up against last month or this year against last. Build a dashboard that fits your job and save it just for you, or publish it to the whole team. Your inventory manager's dashboard should look nothing like your GM's. Here, neither has to compromise. And role-based permissions mean everyone sees exactly what they should and nothing they shouldn't. If you're running multiple locations, tiles roll up across all of them, and the multi-store comparison dashboard puts every store side by side in one view so you can see who's pulling ahead at a glance. The best part is you don't even have to build anything to start. Intelligence ships with dashboards for every team. Owners, operations, inventory, finance, and all of these are ready the day that you turn it on. So that's Flowhub's Intelligence Dashboards, your data built around how you actually work, and it's included in every Flowhub plan. Open the Intelligence tab and your dashboards are already there. Start exploring them today.